to get a little tour of a junk scrap yard foundry today, and I got some cool stuff. As you can see, a lot of little scrap metal stuff and big scrap metal. This thing's heavy, and just some little stuff for welding projects. So I got like this little pulley, this ring, this, which I'm not actually sure what this is, but it looks really cool. If you know what it is, post it in the comments. No idea. Some chain, a cool hinge. A little fan from, it's probably from an AC something or other. Some threaded rod there, some other stuff. Found a couple wrenches in the dirt, and this wrench is old. It's got no maker's mark or anything, so it might have even been made there in the foundry. A couple of whatever these are, they're battery powered something or others. I got some neat gears here too. These gears are pretty cool. I had to pull these off of, they were on some kind of lift system that had been destroyed, so I pulled them off myself. You can see that one's got a big crack in it, but I'm not going to use it for the actual gear. I'll probably just use it for maybe some sculpture projects. This gear doesn't even look like a real gear design. And bike chain and another little gear. So pretty cool stuff. I found some bed rails here, which are good if you try to buy this. It's kind of expensive, and they were free. Also got some square tube and these brake rotors from not brake rotors, I can't remember what they're called, from a trailer though, and they've got little cool springs and whatever. Then I also found this cart, which is cool. It's like a little garden cart or something, but I'm not going to use it for that. I'm probably just going to take the material off of it, take some of the metal off of it, and take those wheels. Look pretty good. They're like 8-inch wheels, so they're probably at least $8 a piece at the store. I got a pretty good load of stuff last night. Well, metal. All these from store displays from a retail store, and they were throwing them out. And it's some decent material. So this is tubing. It's not anything real industrial, but you can see this is tubing here. It's pretty much all tubing. This is square tube, slotted square tube, but it's already got holes drilled, so if I need to make some adjustable cart or whatever, some shelves, something, this will come in handy for that. If not, it can all go to scrap metal. I'd hate to do that because it's actually nice. This stuff is really good because it's all powder coated, so this doesn't get scratched off. So if you don't have a problem with the ugly gray color, then it'll work good for projects. This is that giant spring. So this spring rolling around back here, and it goes all the way up. It's like a 6-foot spring, something like that. But it might come in handy for maybe some welding projects or something. I don't know yet. But good find. So you want to hear something really annoying? I just picked up a bunch of scrap metal, and there's a huge spring back there. And it's doing this right behind my head the whole drive home. But worth it. So I've got a few things here. This cart I found on the side of the road, I assume it fell out of somebody's truck, but it's well built. It's real heavy. You can see it's reinforced on the corners. So that's pretty cool. Looks like somebody was selling it anyway though, 15 bucks on the front. So that's a cool little cart. Got this table, little measuring cup, and some chain back there that I picked up.